You work hard, get paid, but then, poof, it's gone. You might vaguely remember buying that latte or subscribing to a service you never use, but the bigger picture remains a mystery. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their finances effectively. They track expenses, sure, but it doesn't translate into actual control. So, what's missing? Enter YNAB, a budgeting app with a philosophy that goes beyond simple tracking. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it aims to do just that, empower you to take charge of your finances and finally make your money work for you. But what exactly does YNAB do, and how is it different from other budgeting apps? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to financial freedom. YNAB 101, Breaking the Cycle of Living Paycheck to Paycheck. Traditional budgeting often focuses on categorizing past spending. You see where your money went, but it doesn't necessarily help you plan for the future. YNAB flips the script. It uses a method called envelope budgeting, where you assign incoming income to specific categories, rent, groceries, entertainment, you name it, before you spend a dime. Think of it like having actual envelopes for each expense. You allocate cash, or in YNAB's case, virtual dollars, to each one, and when it's gone, it's gone. Envelope. This approach forces you to be intentional with your spending. It highlights how much you realistically have available in each category, preventing overspending and that dreaded end-of-month scramble. YNAB superpowers, features that set it apart. Okay, envelope budgeting sounds good, but is that all YNAB offers? Absolutely not. Here are some of its key features that make it a budgeting powerhouse. Age of money. This unique metric reveals how long it would take to cover your current expenses based on your available funds. It's a powerful tool for understanding your financial runway and identifying areas for improvement. Goals. Going on vacation? Saving for a down payment? YNAB lets you set specific goals for different categories, allowing you to visualize progress and stay motivated. Debt payoff. Struggling with debt? YNAB offers a strategic approach to tackling it. You can choose different methods, like the avalanche or snowball, and track your progress towards becoming debt-free. Mobile app. Take control of your finances on the go. The user-friendly mobile app lets you manage your budget, record transactions, and access key features anytime, anywhere. Free workshops and resources. YNAB isn't just an app, it's a financial education platform. They offer a wealth of free resources, including workshops, videos, and articles to help you master budgeting and achieve your financial goals. YNAB versus the competition. Why choose YNAB? Many budgeting apps exist, so why choose YNAB? Here's the deal. YNAB goes beyond simple transaction tracking. It promotes a conscious approach to spending and teaches valuable financial habits. Yes, there's a learning curve, but the investment in understanding your finances pays off in the long run. Unlike free apps that rely on ads or hidden fees, YNAB offers a subscription service. This allows them to focus on providing a premium user experience and top-notch customer support. Is YNAB right for you? If you're ready to take control of your finances, break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and achieve your financial goals, then YNAB is definitely worth checking out. They offer a free trial, so you can experience the app firsthand and see if it clicks with your budgeting style. Remember, taking charge of your finances is empowering. YNAB can be the tool that helps you unlock financial freedom and build a brighter future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.